Alternator replacement on Honda Pilot.
Yeah, well, go. There we go. Milwaukee insider right here. The nut out. Put it right there. Now we have a little bit more space to work with. Pick it up from here because this seems to be easier. God. Yep, it's a long boy. There, give me the big boy. Come on. Whew. In here. Open. Yeah. Looks about right. Ship it off with core. New one goes right in. Get it down there. That's 3. Okay, that's good. God, there we go. If everything is in, the crank pulley, yeah, it goes up like this. And cover.